The Galapagos is a world still in the throes of creation, which takes us back to the origin of origins, the mystery of mysteries, Charles Darwin. What is it that you're looking for in paradise? Is it wild, pristine nature, white sand and beautiful beaches? Or maybe all of them together? Crystal clear water teeming with life? Perhaps bizarre creatures like the marine iguanas sunbathing all around us? For me, paradise is a deep connection with nature, unflinching, naive, and unafraid, reminding us we are mere visitors here. Few places on Earth trigger my curiosity the way these islands do. Picturing Darwin sailing these very seas, walking these very shores, and contemplating these very same volcanic landscapes wakes a unique feeling in me. Somehow magical. I step on board and it all comes together. Yacht Isabela II, faithful to traditions and mindful of modern needs. Perhaps it's her boutique style or her friendly crew, welcoming just 20 couples, that gives it such a cozy feeling. Romantic and intimate, she is a perfect vessel for a relaxed island exploration, learning and fun. What better way to traverse the national park and marine reserve than in the qualified hands of trained crew on a carefully balanced itineraries? Well mentored by a knowledgeable expedition leader and naturalist that awakened my passion for this unique place on Earth. What better way to live one of the world's most amazing destinations than with the people whose day-to-day priorities is protecting this magical environment for future generations. On Yacht Isabela II, travel in comfort, travel in safety, travel in style. Live the inspiration.